आज के सेगमेंट के अंदर मैं आपको 3 बहुत ही इनक्रेडिबल एनर्जेटिक डांसर्स से मिलवाना चाहती हूँ। आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस देम वन बाय वन। पहले हम लोग मिलेंगे ताशी से, राइट? आई होप आई प्रोनाउंस्ड योर नेम राइट। फिर हम मिलेंगे नकी से, फिर हम मिलेंगे मिकाइल से। ऑल ऑफ देम आर बी बॉइंग, ठीक है? पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे बी बॉइंग होती क्या है। देर हिप हॉप आर्टिस्ट्स, होस्ट and rappers and dancers, and I believe one of you is a DJ as well. Yeah. You're a DJ as well, DJ. Right? And you're a fitness enthusiast as well.
Model.
How interesting. Yeah. तो मेरे तो आज segment के अंदर बहुत ही cool और मतलब active लोग आए हैं.
Yes,
so before we actually start this, आप लोग पहले मुझे बताओगे, you guys can decide who wants to answer this. What is b-boying?
Breaking is it's an art form.
Okay.
Discovered in New York back in the 70s.
Achha.
So it's not we from the culture, you all know it as break dancing, the mass media. We call it breaking. We prefer it to be called breaking.
Yeah.
It recently made its debut in the Olympics as well.
Oh, nice.
It's an Olympic sport too.
Oh, acha.
Yeah. So it's been going on since the 70s. I think it's been in Pakistan since the 80s.
तो आप ला रहे हो हमारे लिए फिर gold next year. Whenever the next Olympics is, are you bringing us the gold?
It's
not. The country has to sponsor us and fund us and send us there.
भाई यहाँ पे तो आपने खुद ही करना है। एक दफ़ा आप कर लेंगे तो फिर हम गोल्ड सेलिब्रेट कर लेंगे आप। I thought थोड़ी मोटिवेशन दे दूँ, why not? Considering 14th August भी है। अच्छा, so it's most commonly known as hip hop dancing. यहाँ पे लोग पाकिस्तान में क्या बोलेंगे इसको?
Hip hop dancing, break dancing,
break dancing.
So I was really fond of break dancing at one time. How will break dancing differ from b-boying?
Break dancing is the term that was given by the media.
अच्छा.
So people who didn't know, उन्होंने बस देखा कि अच्छा ये breaking करना है तो let's call it break dancing.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि dance भी at the end of the day.
अच्छा.
So it's just a term that is used.
Okay.
But वही जिस तरह like Mikhail said कि people of the community or culture वो चाहते हैं कि we call it b-boying or breaking. And
breaking sounds cooler, I think.
Yeah,
Don't you think?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a reason why it's a media term.
Exactly.
हाँ, because b-boying लगता है कि मतलब थोड़ा वो vibe थोड़ी उसकी इतनी mature नहीं आती शायद. But anyway, I mean, there's a video that's playing for our audience as well, and I think you guys are doing such an incredible job. अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा सा before getting into it एक चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगी. One by one करते हैं. How did you get into this?
I discovered it while watching a movie called Step Up 2.
Oh my God, I've seen that movie. I think कितने लोगों को उसके बाद नाचने का शौक हो गया था.
Yeah, maybe most probably.
What about you?
It's been a while. I discovered it back 15 years ago. There was another movie named You Got Served, and I saw into it.
Nice. And what about you?
For me, it was 12 साल पहले मेरे मोहल्ले में लोग डांस करते थे, तो वहाँ से hype मिली.
अच्छा.
And then Step Up 2 भी नई आई थी उस टाइम पे, तो it was all connected like that. And
how nice. तो आप लोगों के पहले hype men जो थे initially आप लोगों के अपने community members ही थे.
Exactly.
Right? और आप लोगों की families भी आपको support करती हैं and this.
Over the years they've
Not in the beginning.
शुरू में तो कोई नहीं.
शुरू में तो उनको एकदम से झटका लगता है ना कि oh my God, ये क्या हो गया. But I think it's so incredible. तो आप लोग ये basically किस तरह करते हो? How is this? आपको लगता है कि ये चीज़ overlook अभी भी होती है पाकिस्तान में, या लोगों के अंदर थोड़ी acceptability आई है towards your craft and your dance?
It's taking its sweet time क्योंकि हमें 15 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है कि we've been doing this. बट अभी भी लोगों को इसकी सेंस नहीं है कि व्हेन वी डू इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम तो फैसिनेट हो रहा है कि वो पाकिस्तान में भी ये चीज़ है, क्योंकि ये चीज़ उन्होंने सिर्फ टीवीज़ में और सिर्फ वीडियोस में देखी होती हैं. और हम लोग मोस्टली खुद ही ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, हैविंग लिटिल और नो फैसिलिटीज़ और रिसोर्सेज. हम लोग साथ मिलकर ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. वी लर्न मोस्ट थिंग्स बाय आवरसेल्व्स, ऑर्गेनाइज जैम्स एंड इवेंट्स एंड वर्कशॉप्स बाय आवरसेल्व्स. तो करना खुद ही पड़ता है फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम.
तो आप लोग किस तरह के YouTube से सीखते हो, और do you have like paid classes that you do, or how do you do it?
I started from YouTube.
Yeah, we all
started from YouTube. YouTube से फिर एक दूसरे से each one.
और आप तीनों का अपना एक flexibility और adaptability और skill set अपना ही
होता है, right?
Style is different.
तो अच्छा, अब ना मुझे बात बताओ कि कितनी injuries होती हैं एक हफ्ते के अंदर, एक दिन के अंदर, please? You guys have bones in your bodies. ये तो मैं वीडियो देख के परेशान हो रही हूँ भाई. आप लोग तो ऐसे हिल रहे हो.
Yeah.
This is like next level stuff.
Exactly.
ये कहाँ हो आप लोग वीडियो में?
ये
बुखारी.
This is Bukhari, I guess, yeah.
Oh yes, of course. ये तो अपना बुखारी है.
Yeah, this is Bukhari. The video before.
यकीन ही नहीं आया देख के.
Yeah.
अब हम इनसे पूछेंगे कुछ फन क्वेश्चंस और फिर उसके बाद ये हमें कुछ मूव्स दिखाएंगे अपने, राइट? अच्छा, फन क्वेश्चंस में हम एक एक करके आंसर करेंगे. लेट मी आस्क यू, आपकी ड्रीम कोलैबोरेशन किसके साथ है? द डांसर कैन बी डेड और अलाइव.
If he's alive, I'd pick Hong Ten or Phil Wizard. They are breakers too.
अच्छा?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What about you?
There's this dancer known as Pac-Man, Philip Chabib. He's
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man is.
अच्छा, Pac-Man से तो मुझे वो गेम याद है.
He's
Wait, is it something similar to that?
No, but not similar, but yeah.
Yeah,
Kind
okay.
of.
What about you?
Dancer. Has to be a dancer. I think Jabberwockies or Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, famous.
उसकी moonwalk तो आपको मुझे perfect कर.
Political.
Political answer.
Yeah, good.
Moonwalk perfect कर लिया आप लोगों ने.
वहाँ आ जाएगी.
सबको आती है.
Michael Jackson did not invent the moonwalk, by the way.
He didn't?
He did not.
Who did?
There was another African dancer who
अच्छा?
did that, और Michael Jackson ने copy किया था.
Really?
Famous बनाया.
Yeah.
चलो, we have some fun facts now. Fun
Yes,
facts.
sir.
अच्छा, let's see. सबसे memorable performance कौन सी है आपकी career की?
Oh. Many. I think for me as a crew, we did this show at Lahuti Melo as a crew, Anarchy.
Oh, yeah.
We did that show. And that was a memorable performance for us.
अच्छा.
And then most battles.
सबके लिए?
No, for me.
No, I'm not from the crew.
Yeah.
Crew-wise, he's from a different
Crew's
crew.
much older, so now I'm thinking very far
I'm also
back.
thinking much.
Oh. He's much senior to you guys.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, definitely.
Probably me and him are the same.
Yeah. I'm
We
still
started
newer,
later.
newer generation.
That's okay. हमें हमेशा नहीं चाहिए. नया हमें हमेशा चाहिए. अच्छा, अब आप लोगों ने अगर अपना स्टाइल 3 अल्फाजों में explain करना है. Let's take turns. You can start with whatever. Let's start with him since he's been around longer. So he can maybe. I don't mean to put you on a spot. 3 words से ज़्यादा.
3 words, right?
Yeah. It can be more than 3 words also.
Strength, probably power, funk.
Nice.
Good job.
I would say groovy, flexible, and unpredictable. Mostly.
Nice.
Yeah,
Spontaneous, rather.
Yeah, spontaneous.
It has to be character, style, and flavor.
Ooh, I love it. आप लोगों ने तो बड़े सोच के ये 3 words निकाले हैं. Very nice. अच्छा, और आपका go-to song क्या है? The song that gets you really hyped up to begin.
Probably anything by Bruno Mars for me.
Really?
Bruno
Isn't that very emotional?
Wow. No, Bruno Mars.
No, he's got a lot of funk music.
Really?
A lot of funk music.
Amazing.
Yes, dude.
Nice.
What about you?
Anything. मुझे Timbaland बहुत पसंद है.
Ah,
Timbaland.
The Way You Are.
Oh yeah, and all of those. Yeah.
I remember that
बहुत
song.
पसंद है ये गाने.
That song is a classic.
Yeah.
What about you?
Get me hyped. Any song by Wu-Tang Clan.
Oh, nice.
यार.
चलो, interesting stuff. अगर आपकी एक सुपर पावर होती डांसिंग करियर के अंदर तो क्या होती है? मतलब it can be something as silly as levitating or anything.
Probably super speed.
Super speed.
Yeah. I could run to another country, compete, come back.
Oh, nice.
Go to another one, compete,
Okay,
come back.
cool.
I'd just be Superman without kryptonite, bro. Fight with me.
Won't be Superman then.
Yeah, but
What
yeah.
about you?
What's that Fantastic Four rubber?
Rubber guy.
I'll be that and just bring out all this.
I love it. अच्छा, कौन सी एडवाइस आपको करियर के शुरू में मिली थी जो अभी तक आपके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है आपको एडवाइस वो?
पहले तो समझ नहीं.
I think आप लोग तो सेल्फ टॉट हो मोस्टली.
Yeah.
पर कोई ना कोई मेंटोर तो होगा.
My father once told me that whatever you do, just do something with your life, with your career. Just कुछ ना कुछ कर लेना.
ना कुछ कर लेना.
जो भी करोगे.
Yeah.
So I think that's
That
one
is the
thing that
best
sticks
advice.
with me. Yeah.
What about you?
I don't know. I've just self-learned a lot. मुझे like the best I think is if you can't do it, just slow it down.
Of course.
Just slow it down. It's gonna be fine.
Amazing कि अपने आप को आप प्रेजेंट मोमेंट
थोड़ा सा slow कर लो.
और अपने आप को ग्रेस देनी चाहिए. इतना हार्ड नहीं होना चाहिए. ये मैसेज सबके लिए.
Message ये सुनते तो सभी हैं, पर it's difficult to understand. Is just be yourself and stay true to the moment. पहले समझ नहीं आती थी कि how do you be yourself.
Of course.
But over the years, when you realize that, you understand that it's one of the biggest lessons that you can, biggest things you can do.
I love it. अच्छा, अगर आप travel back करो in time to a hip hop era,
There's only one.
Where would you see yourself?
New York, man. I'd be in New York, birthplace of hip hop.
Amazing. Oh, Shruti की vibe भी different है.
Same.
In New York?
In Bronx. If it's about hip hop, I'll be in Bronx.
Probably somewhere in Europe in the early 2000s.
Really?
Very ideal. Up and coming events, just starting out. It's the right place to be.
Amazing. अच्छा, तो आप यूरोप जा रहे हैं और फिर आप दोनों
न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं।
अमेजिंग।